Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a deposit from your 1xBet account to another 1xBet account. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional 1xBet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. First, you're going to go to your menu, then to deposit. Once in deposit, you're going to choose the method most adequate for you. For this example, I'm going to choose Orange Money. Once in Orange Money, you are going to see different fields for you to fill. You're going to fill these fields with the informations of the person you want to send the money to. And you are going to confirm these informations and the deposit will be done. That was all for this video.